how to change the cartridges on a Victorian plumbing bath tap. These have been letting by and it's just been dripping, continuously dripping. So we're here today to change it. We've just turned the water off. Now we need to remove the handles. We're going to change the pair. It's always worth changing the pair because you don't know how far the other one is behind from failing. So we're going to open the taps, make sure there's no water coming out, and then we need to remove these little chrome indices that should show us the grub screw which is holding on the handle. This one, always a good idea to put the plug down so we don't lose anything. So we'll leave them over there. One. Allen key to undo the heads. One. Okay, these valves here, you can see are slightly recessed. So we either need to use a box spanner or a pass-through socket set, just so we can get down onto that nut. So there's a box spanner, 17mm, so we can get in there. There we go. The valve out. This one looks a bit more corroded. It's a bit harder to get out. There we go. And I think we should have that in the kit. So we'll put the red one, the clockwise to open one, on the left hand side. Hot is always on the left, and the anti-clockwise, the blue one, in the cold on the right. And we'll tighten them up. And then put the spline adapters back on. With all our valves you get a new screw, so I always like to fit a new screw as well. One and two. Okay, now we just need to put the handles back on. So in fact, I'm going to put these in the open position because it's easier for me to do the handles up. So just get the screw ready.